This is the quick all you need to know review of this travel magnetic chess set. As someone who spends a lot of time traveling and is nerdy about my games, this was such a great find for me. Chess is such a great game to pass your time while traveling. However, it's usually not a great idea to be on a bumpy train or bus with chess pieces falling all over the place. That's why this is perfect. The board is magnetic and foldable, so when you place the pieces on the board, they actually stick to it and you don't have to worry about everything falling off. Let me show you how it works. After placing the magnetic pieces on the magnetic board, I can move it however I want to and even fold it without anything moving. I was worried that the magnetism wouldn't be strong enough, but it is perfect. I also love the small size of the board. It is so handy and you can have it in any size bag. It is lightweight, high quality, and I think the silver and gold pieces are beautiful. This is perfect for anyone who wants to bring a game when camping, traveling, or just on an outing or a picnic. It's a great gift and works for many ages. A great purchase you can buy with confidence.